Good morning. Welcome back to Vatsalya Legacy Online Tutorials. Today I want to talk about perception. What is perception? हम कितना जल्दी किसी के बारे में कुछ सोच लेते हैं, कुछ समझ लेते हैं, and very freely we share that perception with people around us. How it affects the other person, मैं उस बारे में आपके साथ 3 इंसिडेंट्स शेयर करना चाहती हूँ. First incident is about a school teacher. So this teacher she is now going to teach class 1 and senior KG के बच्चे इनके पास आने वाले हैं. तो senior KG की टीचर ने जाके मैम को कहा, you know what, I have this child A. He has taken a toll on my life for the last whole year. He just doesn't behave in the class, just doesn't write, just doesn't read and XYZ. जो भी पूरे साल का ओपिनियन था for that particular child was shared to the other teacher. Now what went wrong here? You know, so when this class 1 teacher had all her students, the first batch, the new batch with her, she already had a perception about this child A, जिसके बारे में previous class teacher ने perception share कर दिया था कि इसने ये करा, इसने ये करा. Before she could even start her class, she already had one thought process about this कि ये मुझे पूरे साल परेशान करने वाला है या ये मेरे साथ ये करने वाला है या whatever. And with that perception, will she be able to deal or handle that particular student? It's going to be difficult. Second, I want to share about a child. So this child comes and enters a room and doesn't want to talk to a particular uncle. And the relatives ask, why you don't want to talk to him? You know what, पापा हमेशा इनके बारे में बात करते रहते हैं, कहते हैं कि ये इस दुनिया के सबसे खराब इंसान है. So I don't want to talk to him. Now this child doesn't even know him, but he's heard perceptions about him. Now will he able to have a regular relationship with that particular man? Again, it's a difficult chance. Third perception I want to share about a teenager. So this teenager is confused. Mother talks about a friend every day, about a friend that, you know, she's this and she's that, and you know, after some days in a particular party, her own mother goes and hugs her and clicks pictures with her and you know, Insta stories with her and my BFF and XYZ. A confused state of perception. My mother likes her or my mother doesn't like her. She's a friend or she's just fooling around. So why I want to talk about this topic today is that very often we make judgments and perceptions about people and we keep sharing it as gifts, which we shouldn't. जब हम किसी के बारे में बात करते हैं, ये बताते हैं that, you know, I don't like this person and try and be good with that person outside in the community and in the society, but we feel something else otherwise. हम बच्चों को relationships को लेके सिर्फ confuse कर रहे हैं. उन्हें हम ये सिखा रहे हैं that you are made to keep everybody happy. आपको सबको खुश रखना है, whether you like it or whether you don't like it. And trust me, there's a saying, if you really want to make everybody happy, go and sell ice creams. We are not able to see real people around us because हम सोचते क्या है, हम करते क्या और हम बताते क्या है और हम actually चाहते क्या है, ये चारों चीज़ें आपस में मैच ही नहीं करती है. There's another thing which I want to share is usually I don't believe in ज्ञान, but today we are talking about facts. ज्ञान तो बहुत बढ़ रहा है, but I like to talk about facts. Thank you so much. Stay connected and please subscribe our channel. Let us know your opinion about this video. See you.